Welcome back. Do check out my website if you haven't checked already. And just to let you know again, if you have missed it or forgotten from the last episode, that I am a scuba instructor, PADI scuba instructor, and I teach scuba diving for a living. And I teach the courses mostly in the western coast of India, which is Goa and Maharashtra. But as the diving is not happening currently because of the monsoons and also because of the COVID, I can't even conduct the pool session. So for now the diving is off, but there are still some courses which you can do online from the comfort of your home. For example, the Project Aware, Coral Reef Conservation, and you can refresh your first aid and CPR training. All the information is available on the website. If you still have any doubts, drop me a comment or simply drop me an email and I'll answer your queries. Getting back to the music once again, and we'll start from where we left off last time. The next lesson is called the C sharp and D sharp waltz. Now I think like the last time we played the F sharp, so the same logic applies. It's just one fret higher. So this time it is mentioning a sharp on the C note. So this is the C note. A sharp will be one fret higher. So instead of the third fret, it will be on the fourth fret of the fifth string. So that's a C sharp. And also it is using a D sharp note. Now D is open. Okay, so D is an open note. So how do we go one fret higher on an open note? Okay, simply call the open note as a 0 fret, because here the 0 fret or the nut is basically holding the note for you. You don't have to press the note. All right, so that's your D note. So one fret higher will be the first fret. That's your D sharp. All right, so let's see what the C sharp and the D sharp waltz says. It's just waltz timing. 3 beats per measure. It is using dotted half notes, which is 3 beats long, and it's got the regular natural notes from the C major, and it's got the C sharp and the D sharp, which we just explained. So let's. Another thing that I didn't mention about the sharp notes is that the sharp sign applies for that entire measure. So if in the beginning of the measure it has been specified that the C is supposed to be played sharp, the next C note within the same measure will also be a C sharp, and the sharp sign need not be repeated again. We'll come to that a little later. That's where the need for the natural sign also comes in, but it's coming soon. All right, the C sharp and the D sharp waltz. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. So the last new note that we learnt was G, which was on the third fret of the sixth string, and you remember how it was? It was 2 ledger lines below the staff. Okay, and introducing now the F, which is one note lower to G. So obviously this one will cut a ledger line and a new ledger line will be added. So F is cutting the third ledger line below the staff. Going by the same logic, the open E, the lowest note on your guitar, is below the third ledger line below the staff. Alright, so E, 3 ledger lines below, cutting the third ledger line below the staff, and below the second ledger line is G. So the picnic is a simple 3/4 timing, waltz timing, 3 beats per measure, and it is using the new F and E notes which we introduced. So basically now we have introduced all the notes on the in the open position, which we knew before, but now we know how to read them on the staff. All right, so this one is using the E and the F and the G quite a bit, and of course the other notes on the 5th string and so on. Let's play this. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Stopping here now. Whatever has been done so far, please do keep on practicing. Share these videos with a lot of people. Let the people who need it, who want to learn how to play the guitar, let these videos be available to them so that they can start learning guitar from scratch. Like I said earlier, it's the lessons are in a sequence. So if you're absolute beginner and you just got introduced to this channel, you don't have to play the latest episode. You have to go back to the first episode. If you already have the guitar, well, it does not hurt to just learn about the other kinds of guitars available. The playing part starts from the 3rd episode, so go from there, go step by step. Do not be in a hurry to catch up with the latest episode. All right, so practice well, and also let me know if you want to take the first aid CPR refresher or the PADI courses, specialty courses which can be conducted online. All right, so stay safe and stay healthy, do yoga every day, and practice a lot. All right, see you.